Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench, but before going and starting to install the Workbench, I want to make sure that in your computer you don't have it. If you tried previously to install it, you need to uninstall it. So you need to go to Control Panel in case you have it, and go to Program and Features and look for MySQL. So all this MySQL here, software, you need to remove it, to uninstall it. And then I'm going to also to continue installation the other related software of Workbench. Now you see we don't have any MySQL Workbench software in our computer. Now we can install the software from Google. So you can just search on Google install MySQL Workbench and then scroll down to that page, download MySQL Workbench. So once you are here, because I'm using Windows, so you need to click on this area here, MySQL installer, and then click on, you select this installer, which is 398 megabytes. Install it, and then click no thanks, just start my download. So you install it, you can select the folder where you want to save the installer. Now it starts the installation of the installer. I already have it. I assume I already have it here. So it takes a little time because the internet speed. So I assume I already installed it. And here you can, after the installation is completed, you click on it. Okay, so once you start the process of installation of the installer, MySQL installer, the first step, it takes you to this Windows. So please don't click on developer default, click on custom, and then click on next. And here there is the product that you need to install it. The first one is MySQL Server. You expand it, and then you click on MySQL Server 8019 and move it to the right to the product that you want to install it. And then you click on application, and then you expand MySQL Workbench. And here is our software workbench that you need to move it to the right. You click on this arrow and then you click next. So here, because I already have it, so I'm going to go to delete this file. So you need to go to my to program file. So so here program file, and then you need to check program data, or before that you need to look for MySQL folder. So this here my SQL folder. I'm going to delete it because I already installed it previously. Okay, so just click here. And then also I need to click on program data to delete it again, another place. So here you can click on this button here. It will show you the path where the MySQL server is already installed. So I'm going to here to program data and click on actually this folder. I'm going to delete it. And then it's shown now that the path already exists. Message is already gone. So now you can continue to install it. Now you see here we have two software. One is for server. The second one is for workbench. Execute. The installation for MySQL server is completed. Now for workbench, it's 23. It's going on. So both you want to make sure both server and workbench already the installation are already completed. Then you click on next, 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 and you click on next. So here it will ask you, this is important, it will ask you to create or to set up a password for your workbench. I'm going just to use any password, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, 6. It will show you weak password. That's okay, but because no one will use your computer or your data, I will use this weak password. If you want to make it strong, I can add any other character. Let's say Mahmoud here with percentage sign, and then you can make it strong password. Now it's medium password, that's okay. And then you click next. You click next. Now it's going to apply configuration, the last step. Click on execute. We almost there. It finished the configuration for the software, click finish, and then click next and finish. So now if you want to, now you see here, it's open now, it's already installed, and it's take you to the home page, to the home of the software. So you click here. Okay, not, I guess this one. Now, so you click on the local host, actually this is the default one, and then you enter the password we just created, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and my name and percentage sign, and make sure to click save to save it so you can avoid it each time you launch your SQL workbench. Now I open it now, so here now it's already there. So I hope this helped you, and if you have question, please let me know. Thank you so much.